Sagicor Financial Company marks an incredible milestone, 185 years of service, resilience, and regional leadership. As the Sagicor Group Jamaica family, we are honored to stand as part of this rich legacy and proudly contributing to its growth across the Caribbean.
As we commemorate the 185th anniversary of Sagicor Financial Company, we are reminded of the values that have shaped this organization for nearly 2 centuries: service, community, and nation building.
This year, however, our celebration looks very different. Jamaica is still recovering from the severe impact of Hurricane Melissa, and many of our own team members, especially in the western parishes, continue to face significant challenges. So, instead of traditional festivities, we chose to show up where it truly matters.
Here in Jamaica, we felt it was important that our commemoration reflected those very principles. So today, members of our Sagicor team are volunteering with the Sagicor Foundation. We're here at Food for the Poor. We're helping to package relief supplies, and these supplies will go to our Jamaicans in the western parishes who have been hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa.
This is who we are as a company, showing up for our communities, supporting recovery, and doing our part to help rebuild Jamaica and, by extension, our region.
That is the spirit of Sagicor, caring, committed, and always standing together. Happy 185th anniversary to the entire Sagicor family.